Hey friends, I spent Memorial Day out in nature, feeling at peace and calm. Nothing better than just getting some sun and listening to the sound of birds. After a morning filled with soaking in some sun, I felt inspired and decided to draw in my hobonichi. I got these Irojiten colored pencils as a Christmas gift from my boyfriend and decided to test them out on the hobonichi. They come in a pack of 3 of different colored themes. I'm not sure if it's the paper texture of my sketchbook, but I had to press them quite hard to get some color on the page. I might try them on a more textured paper next time. More than anything, I really enjoyed getting the chance to have some downtime during this long weekend. The fluorescent color packs are one of my favorites. I tried to capture that bright summer blue and green of summer in this sketch. Then we went over for a summer barbecue and met with Kyrie. She's a cutie. The following day, I was feeling pretty anxious about work. As an introvert, I get pretty nervous before meetings, and while I can manage it better now, that anxious feeling never quite goes away. I wanted to convey that feeling of being overwhelmed in these drawings. This is my way of journaling my thoughts after a stressful day. Looks like that Pokemon.
Onyx.
No. That weekend, my boyfriend and I went on a little date to the new Gilder Center. We also took a look at the butterfly vivarium. It felt like an Animal Crossing scene come to life. Hope you enjoy watching this video. I hope you're able to take some time and enjoy the sun in the sky this week. Thanks for joining in again. See you next time.